Madam, these children, they no go fit stay with you. I tell you. You see this one we didn't do for your introduction. If you see the main display, I beg, just carry them, go their mama, please.
Come on, shut your mouth. Shut it. How dare you? These kids are my sister's children. Okay? And then, wait. Are you not ashamed of yourself? I'm talking to you. I mean you. Yes, you.
Oh, wait. Thank you.
I'm talking to both of you. You stand before us to tell us that those innocent kids did this to you? And you expect me to believe?
Madam, you know, go just pray make it happen to you. Because if it happen to you, it go shock you.
Oh, shut your mouth. Abigail, go to the kitchen and make something for my husband and I.
So then go kitchen. Go for something. Just try.
I'm ashamed of you.
Sir?
If you cannot protect these two kids, these two lovely, innocent kids, how am I supposed to trust you with my life at the gate?
Sir, you are not innocent, sir. I swear to God. Yeah, they suggest say these children supposed to carry them go hospital. Go check. Whether they do mistake for theater, carry mature person brain, put for their own head.
Ojo too.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, I said shut up.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to your duty post.
Now?
Pronoun.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Where did I find such a daft, dense human being?
Maybe he's just incompetent. That's the right words to describe him.
Come to Bobby.
Honestly, I'm just so... it's too much to handle, honestly. What's up? Good morning.
Good morning. How far now?
I'm okay. This one you're calling by this time. I hope you and your husband aren't fighting again.
No, not the fight too. Don't make up. Not the fight again.
That's good. So, what's it? Why are you calling?
See, you get wetin I won't beg you, I beg. I won't make my children come holiday for your house. I want to small travel with my husband. You know, say, get one work where they pursue for Para. And we won't go next week, I
beg. How long are you going to be away?
Just 1 week, they go. We'll come back. Just to secure the job, I beg.
Okay, that's fine. But you know I can't take such decision on my own. I have to discuss with my husband first.
If I beg, I don't want to leave those children travel, I beg. See, those children, they no go fit take care of themselves. They no go fit. I beg.
Cindy, I know, but I just have to talk to my husband. Whatever he says, I would get back to you. Okay.
Hey, baby. What's going on with Cindy?
She wants her kids to come spend the week with us. She and her husband are traveling to Kwara, and I thought I have to talk to you first.
Sure. Why not? They can come. I mean, they've never been here before.
That's true.
Yep.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you not going to work today?
No, please. I'm taking a day off. Victory is covering up for me.
Yeah, you mentioned that.
Ooh. Someone's looking hot.
Stop it.
Good.
Stop it, I like it. Think I'm almost ready to go.
Okay, sure.
Grab my bag.
At least you're not fighting today.
I know, right? It's good. I'm looking forward to seeing the kids.
Same here.
Nah, you can't make me forget myself.
Hey, don't face it. You see, because of these very small runs that we dance, that you are doing like,
I don't dance sense before you come
Hey,
now.
but inside, when we get inside that place, you do very big work. You know you do that, yes.
Yeah, that one is fun. That one, see, you go come begin to go. I don't even know, say, this music don't enter my
I
head.
come to sell you some now. I see you remove. I said, my guy, it is.
No. Oga day, madam day.
No fix. I think such a madam and Jao carry come out too.
You the class? No be the amount of business. Me go drive am. I don't wash and make them carry come
No
out.
problem. Now I go make I go sell soap okay for other people. When I say finish, daytime the day, I go stand here call you. Oyoro, ikoye o. You koye me, ah?
Yeah.
No problem.
Akoya.
Oyoro, keep just ear very well, so you koye me.
They go.
No problem.
Now this is what you do me. You this girl. If I say they use this is for you for village.
I did came. You see this thing?
You just make me come.
You come.
I'm wet. Namo. This girl, I thought I could fire you.
Oh, come, O ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come unto Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born of King and oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Are you done? Are you done singing?
Yes, ma'am.
Abigail, how many times have I warned you to stop making noise in this house?
Sorry, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry, sir.
Please come
Baby, I'll just eat a little because I'm really running late.
Just eat first.
Okay.
Do you want juice?
No, this is fine. Thank you. This one?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. No, it's okay.
Look at what she did. She's singing up and down. But to do the actual chores is the problem.
Abigail is just so dramatic.
There you go.
You have to eat properly. I don't know when you're rushing. You're always running late. Always running late. Ojoto. Ojoto.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. Now only madam and Oga will be doing boy. When I go to dance for? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Are you done with the car?
Oh yes, sis. I don't. You see, I'm very, very clean. It's ready to move.
Such a character. Baby, I will see you later.
Don't be late.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Hello, sir.
Please take this out.
Yes, ma'am.
Abigail, I thought I warned you to stop singing a few minutes ago.
Am I do sorry, I beg. Now because I dey like to sing to God.
Hey, if you want to sing to God, then go to the church. I'm not stopping you from worshiping Him, but this is not the right place to do this.
Now Reverend Sister for you. Now just circumstances, nice poetess.
Abigail, please just clear this place up. Thank you. Hallelujah. Abigail! Are you serious? Oh, yes. I spoke to him already and he approved. Yes. So when are they coming? Okay, that's fine. No problem. Okay.
Good morning, ma. Good morning.
How many times will you greet me today?
Oh, I think say I will never see before. Good morning.
What's that?
Ma?
What's that?
Oh, ma, should I open the gate?
What's that now? What's that?
Okay. You know, say these children don't throw away something inside this compound, no? All these people they pass for the street here. Come throw away this inside compound. No worry, I go throw it about.
Wait, somebody threw something into this compound and you didn't know.
Oh, you me check. I'm being safe. I don't even know, sir. I just.
Why are you the security officer then?
Sorry, ma.
Ojoto, you need to pay attention. No?
Yes, ma.
Open the gate. I'm going out.
Yes, ma.
Marching along to Zion, beautiful city, made of gold. Marching along to Zion, beautiful city, made of gold.
Hey,
Marching
listen to me.
along
Wait.
to Zion.
Keep quiet. This your nonsense song, they give me headache. I don't understand. Why you sure you gonna carry my food on top of your mouth? They sing, marching along to Zion, marching. What is your problem? You want pour saliva for inside the food?
So because I carry food from kitchen, come give you, now make it talk like this, Abi?
Who for bring the food before? I don't understand. This your sister something where you carry on this house, they do pretend. If you want to do sister something, carry and go church. Go there, go they carry Holy Communion, they march along to Zion. No, when you carry my food, you go they carry they march along to Zion, your speed go all bath all the whole meat. Where they there?
May God forgive you.
May God forgive you too.
Marching along to Zion, beautiful city, made of gold.
I know marching along to Zion,
beautiful city,
I meet my
made
baby.
of gold.
Wait, madam. Abeg.
No, enjoy my picking. What's happening?
Who na be now?
What for me?
Sure.
Who na dey find abeg? This place no be where we dey.
Which kind of stupid question be that? The grace? Be the grace? Your village fit this kind of house? You don't know something my sister house?
You know guys? You know man? Put them. I don't. What's your talk? Calm down, calm down. Just show and take a slow.
Madam, who na dey look for?
No get respect, Abi. The grace.
This place no be where we dey.
Which kind of stupid question be that? Your village people fit get this kind of house? You look at me. You know nothing like my sister's house? No, touch my
Take a reason now.
Which kind of children play with this one now? In fact, for inside my office, I go slap. If I
touch her now.
What did you all this? Oh yeah, time down this one that the more.
What you talking about? This man, I no clear. See, you collect. Bros, why put up your body to? Bros, make I tell you. No, they yam my mama like that oh. You go collect oh. Wait till say that because say we keep quiet for you, they misbehave anyhow. You go put you for where you belong go. Wait till. Which can't with this now? Man, put up your body to. You don't dance. Now what's it now?
Hey!
Oh yeah, mother, come go.
It's okay.
Come on.
Ojoto, stop it. I'm so sorry. That's my sister and her kids.
You know?
Yes, I'm so sorry.
Sorry. You are stupid, get man.
I'm sorry. He's just doing his job.
You don't get respect. You don't get respect.
It's okay. See, Adam, don't do that. Don't.
Teach her respect too. Make you know insult me next time.
I'm sorry. He's just doing his job.
Adam!
See, this is fine, oh.
If no, not well like auntie now.
Hey! That's your house, fine, oh.
Thank you.
Fine, wait. Fine. Hey! Glass!
My baby.
This boy, if you know though,
Money good though.
you don't sabi anything. I just talk
You
am.
don't know anything.
This thing no be grass. This is not fake.
You don't know anything.
You don't sabi anything. This boy, you too dey do like say you sabi everything. Come on for that place, Joe. I better go. Me make her dey go. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me like that. Oh, I go brush your face. Come here. I go brush your face. Then you want to see this boy. I go brush. I go wash you for you.
Oh, madam, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No.
The minute they push like that.
It's okay. It's okay.
The minute they push like that. Ha.
It's
I
okay.
know this boy dey like find my trouble.
What you call the boy?
I know they disgrace you, but this boy dey find my trouble every time. I want to disgrace you.
Okay. Sorry.
Adam.
Because I'm trouble for you.
Let's go inside, please. Let's just go in.
They go separate.
Don't come my side. Don't come my side now.
You go look.
Yeah. Madam, how did you get here? I sense confirmed trouble. Problem don't enter this compound. Life and direct. Imagine. Children, small children, where I don't even they expect me to sabi talk. See what thing they come off their mouth. I go put that on your body.
Hey!
Hello.
Hey!
This is too fine. Still being sorry.
Hey! Any good we go talk say money no good. Na to go find that person. And they tell you. Mama, you don't see house. No be that one where you and Pele keep us in a house.
Shut up, oh. Where my mama keep me?
Hey! This is a magical. I got your mom.
Yes, so simple.
No,
No, don't. Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve. No, don't. It's okay. Just come and sit.
Adam.
I beat you. Don't beat me. Yes. Don't go show yourself for this
It's okay.
person. I'll beat you.
Adam and Eve.
Cindy, is this what you're saying?
You no go sit on your own. You no go sit on your own now. Me, I no go fit sit down. I no go sit down.
Okay, come and sit. Just sit.
I no go fit sit down. Jimmy, you don't understand. No, go sit there now. Go sit down now.
It's
Eve. Oh, first time.
You don't hear what? I don't want to sit down with that. I don't want to sit down
It's
with
okay.
that. I don't want to sit down with you.
okay. Eve, come and sit here.
You don't want to sit on your own now. You don't understand. I just.
Manage. So are you seeing this? This is exactly why I've told you to take them out of the ghetto. You need to give your kids a better life.
What am I doing? I see road to come out and no one come out.
What are you saying? Have I not told you to come to town? Have I not been sending you money?
No, my husband now. Once I say no go feel live where you be landlord, come the parents. I be make Papa come your house.
I can't force you. I can only tell you, but I can't force you. It's alright. What's up with this Kwara trip?
And I want contract too. They won't give my husband one contract. So now one rush go. We won't even enter night bus. So that we'll fill it up.
It's okay. Night bus.
Mm-hmm.
Cindy, why are you risking your life? Why now? Why do you want to go by road? Why?
It's cheap now. You don't know such is hard.
Did you tell me to book your flight and I did not?
Flight.
Yes.
A waste of money be that too. Waste of money, now it be that. No worry. We enter night bus. No worry. Just give me the money. I know what I go use and do.
I should give you the...
Hey guys. Oh.
In-law! Better in-law. Now this one I they call better in-law.
Morning, Cindy.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. How's everything?
Adam and Eve. Now I'll get uncle.
Well done.
Guys, how are you? They're looking very good, though.
Yes, sir. That's what they do now. We thank God.
Hey, yeah,
I say, make I
kids.
thank you. As you say, make I bring my children there here. Till when I will come back. God will bless you.
Come on, you don't need to thank me. This is their home. They're always welcome here.
Thank you, sir.
Abigail!
Thank you, sir.
Abigail!
Hey, now wow.
Abigail, come, please.
One for you.
Don't do that to your sister.
Hey, they always
Abigail, come.
Yeah, they're
Come
children.
fast. Hurry up.
Yo, let's go. Share your restaurant circus.
Abigail, please take their bags and
Yo, let's go.
take it to the guest room.
How many class today? I should be good. You did go school.
Which class you can't do now?
That now today the same class. I don't go and leave you now.
Not be
I
school.
see big like this.
Now
I
walk.
do madam, you see they follow me go school.
Now walk.
I want for one more.
Your kids are actually
They
funny.
take us around.
They are funny. Your children are funny.
Careful.
Okay, now this place is for the chop.
Yes. Adam, careful. Careful, okay?
They like, now they find house name make am. They like fighting.
Nah, our room, I been in my room with this.
Which
Now my room now.
which one na your room?
Nah,
This
room.
bed na only you go fit full am. Na so you big reach.
This one na my room.
Now na 2 room be this. Una dey hear? And make una no spoil anything. Make una no spoil anything. No spoil anything. Just stay one place.
Wait, where you want to put your bag first? Make I put my own first. Make I put my own first now. Make I put my own first. Not put that thing. Not put that thing. Over there. Let me go put that first. Not that thing. You no go put anything. Come on, that thing over there.
Come over here.
Let me go put that first. I'll bring you. Bring me for where? Let me go put that first. Come on, that thing. No, let me put that.
I'm telling you. They're just children, no. Our children, they
I know.
with style, you understand? Our children, they worry them. They are very nice children. You will like them. You will like them.
Sis, please take care of yourself, okay?
Efforts are you the craze? What's in they worry you? No, come out for there, leave me, oh. Wait for me, I just they come out. See they worry this man. Eh? No, come out, oh. No, see.
Send my regards to him.
Not try me, Efforts. Not try me, oh. They can't my children can't drop for my sister place. Your people get this kind of place where I won't drop your children. You don't go happy say I can't drop your children for better place. You dey craze? Sure. Gate man! Why you go come lock gate now? Gate man! Where this stupid man? Gate man! That's what they do for here. If I not try me, oh, not try me, oh. If I come out for that junction, you come out, and then you declare. Why you go lock gate? Why you go lock gate? See, not try me, oh. I don't want to fight for that junction, oh. Which kind of rubbish you dey talk? How you go talk and waste time? Which kind of rubbish talk with that one? I don't dey come, oh.
Always working, and working.
Hey, baby.
What are you doing?
I'm actually working on our trip. The agent called me not too long ago that I can proceed with the document, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Really?
This is great news. So, where are we going?
Relax, babe.
Wait, when are we traveling?
I'm still working on it.
I can't wait. Can't wait to get the queen treatment. Can't wait to travel, relax, and be taken care of by you.
Is that so? Okay. Speaking of queen treatment, why don't you dress up? Let me take you for shopping.
I want it. He pays. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Let me tell you some one shit first. Come on, that one shit. I think some one shit. One chance. I need one chance. I need one chance. One chance. I want that face. Let me tell you some.
No.
What did they worry you now? What? Yeah!
Nobody go wash it.
What? Come! Nothing I want now. Eh?
What's that lady for outside? What the fuck?
Shish!
What's that lady? Let me make that for this boy. What's that lady? Every time you go to say,
now. Eh?
What's that lady? I can follow you down. For me.
Man! Okay.
I mean, it's all right. Wash it. Wash it, make her see. You wash it tired today. Maybe you wash it. Wash it sometimes. You wash it tired today. I never show you anything. Why you see the talk?
Tigolo, fish. Okay, fish.
If I beat you, you go beat me. You go beat me. Me will beat you.
Tigolo, if I beat you.
If I beat you, I make her see. See, next time if I beat you, I'm not gonna allow you make you breathe.
If I beat you,
go choke. I go beat you.
I go beat you.
See, after me, we go outside, go fight and where.
I'll beat you.
Nobody go see us.
I'll go beat you. I'll use this and whap you.
The next time if I go beat you, I'm not gonna allow you make you breathe.
Stop. Stop.
Hey guys.
Auntie, fine.
Be like saying I go somewhere.
They don't go somewhere. They follow from outside, they come inside. Because the common sense don't tell you say na outside they go, they come out.
I bet I'm not talking to you. All carry your mouth face telling.
It's okay. Don't mind her. We are actually going out. Don't worry. Abigail will make sure you're comfortable. Do you want me to buy you anything when I'm coming back?
Yeah, I beg buy me, like I said.
Okay, Auntie, buy me toy gun.
Hey! Toy gun, now what do you want? Small boy, they like you, now toy gun you want. Like I say, you no get sense.
It's alright. We don't buy toy guns for kids, but I'll get you something else.
Abigail! Ma, come. Abigail!
Mama.
Please, you guys should be
always on each other's case.
Okay, yes, we are going out, so please take care of them.
Mary?
Auntie, madam, now one plate you serve us.
Yes. How many for serve?
Me, I no go fit chop with this person where dey for you. This moron where you see here now. If you dey chop, you go dey chop like person where they throw from sky. As you see am like this, nothing dey in body, but if you see in belly, na tank, na GP tank dey in belly. So I no go fit chop with am.
Wait, the Chris. You go. What you make Mama make she carry one beat make her cry? May you go carry food where say I bought for fire.
I don't want to concern you.
Shut up, man.
Well, if you not like, we gonna chop the food. If you not like, we gonna no chop am. No concern.
Bring that food. Why you can't go that place? I beg, bring that food for you. Why you carry the food they go? Not be for two of us.
Oyo! What now? Which? Hey! Don't fix. I swear I not see you. Sai! I not see you, ma.
Wait till you always fight for this house. Ah, Abigail. Now, Oga food, they can't carry country away from my gate.
You know, your sense no day normal. You hear me? Oga dey this one go carry food come pour for here. Now your food pour like this, so ma, I tell you now your food now pour here.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. I cover my... See, look, don't tell me nonsense, so. Is that not my food with this? Blood of Jesus.
Jamie pa, it's mbok, Jamie pa. I did not know.
Oh, just to wait till this girl always come find for inside your room.
Which kind of nonsense question be that one? You did ask nonsense question. Nah, not only say this girl now. Now, Kuno she dey come dey sell.
No, I sell sobo.
Sobo.
Sobo that I sell.
Kunu, sobo.
I sell sobo.
Sobo. Which kind sobo when you dey sell? When you no go fit sell for outside, you dey come inside house, they come sell.
No be the sobo because.
I sell sobo. If you taste my sobo.
My friend carry that thing come up from my face. Na inside man room, you dey always come sell.
No, I sell outside. I sell inside. I call people houses. I sell. I keep them.
See am now. No be anybody wey carry business say you want sell am for inside or you want sell am for outside. I take concern.
It's business girl. Yes, it's business girl that I am.
Time don't reach where I go take tell madam about this girl. What she dey come find for inside this room every time.
Yeah, Abigail, don't joke with me. Do you understand me? I don't know why you dey chook eye for my problem.
Why not chook eye for your problem?
No, they chook eye for my problem.
Not even concern your problem. See your food, eh? When you don't talk finish, you bend down and chop am like dog.
No tell me that.
He's scary.
If you talk nonsense, I go use this plate now. Map of Africa.
What did I do now? What did I do?
You dey try for inside my compound. You don't pour my food down. What did I go chop?
Please calm down.
Eh? What's your nonsense with this now? Eh? You don't go with the small instrument to get inside. You don't go come out and finish. The small food they bring for me. You don't go pour it for ground. You tell me say he came mine.
The jacked yourself now. You're already jacked yourself, eh? I tell you I cook you a pankukwa.
The pankukwa kill you there. Who can nonsense?
The pankukwa didn't kill anybody. As strong as he died this thing, he could die make bang.
Oh yeah? Go there go. See, you don't...
It's me, Jaggy friend.
There go.
It's me, Jaggy friend. You just yourself. See, I tell you, as strong as he died this thing, he could die kick bang. This thing and bang, you get the same taste.
Ini, waka,
Yes.
they go.
It's okay, no problem. He could die go. You just have to know that he
I go stand you. I said they go. They go.
Oh, yo, it's me, Jaggy friend. As long as he died this thing, he could die bang. It's me that thing.
Abi. Thunder go fight. Abi. Don't even know whether not to pack for the ground. This girl will get mad like stone. If you no give me another thing. Abi, I can wash plate for you.
What do you want me? Bring this food, I beg. Why is the dragon now? What is the dragon? What do you do? What do you do now? Hey, give me that meat. Give me that meat now. Wait, mommy, you want eat that? Wait, come on. Give me that meat now. No, give me that meat now. Every day is another trouble. Give me that meat. Shoot the chopper. Give me the meat. Give me that meat. Give me that meat now. Come on, give me that meat.
Wow. I make her for go kitchen, go beg a big girl, and she forgive me another food. Again, she don't only wear that sister clothes. I could use her to see her as a better person. Again now, devil in high places.
Ojoto, my eye! Ojoto, my eye!
What's up?
My eye, I don't blind. I don't know what it is. You right there, knock my eye. My eye.
What's happened now?
I don't know what it is. Carry hit my eye when they fight.
Who hit your eye?
Now don't say the boy.
Wow.
Ojoto, I make carry me go hospital.
These people really won't know.
My eye.
What's going to happen now?
I don't know. They fight.
Oh, which hospital? I won't go carry you to go now.
I beg, carry me go hospital. My eye don't blind.
Wait. Are they come? Wait.
Where you they go now?
Are they come? Wait.
No go inside there. Those children go enjoy you. Ojoto, come now. Hey, Jesus, these children, eh?
My eye, still.
I got the go
Stew! Stew! Pepper stew! Pepper stew!
Which pepper stew?
Abigail!
I dey go chemist.
My voice say like say you dey it. I said stew don't enter my eye.
I dey go chemist.
Now my eye dey stew. They don't kill me. I never see again. Where water dey there? I go take a look at water now. Hi. If I catch this, na children dey be safe. If I catch this adult, if I catch them, Abigail, I've been one happy before. Okay. Ay. Ay. Mm-hmm. Ah. See eh? Thunder will go fire now. Thunder will go fire now. What is it? Adam and Eve. We're not supposed to forget the video, no. We're not supposed to forget the no. We're not going to. Hello. Where did they? Where did they? If I catch anybody, I go to crush you. I go to finish you. Huh? Okay, enter my hand first. Who touch me? What? Okay. I will tell you that I used to fight Kung Fu even when I close my eyes. I will tell you that I used to fight Shaolin Temple. What in they? Come, no, come. Since you cannot respect your elder, come. I will show you I can fight Kung Fu even when my... Hey, what? Okay, people are playing with me, Abby. People are playing with me. There's no problem. When I go grow old too. Huh? I mean, these children, they use the play. Wow. I mean, when they use the children play, don't be kind. You know, good, make person blind though. Hi. No more, okay, Mona just kill me. Mona, okay, finish me. I give up. No, Mona just killing me. I want the fashion now.
Madam, these two children, Iraq and Iran, if no be God today, they for blame my eye.
Be like, say now.
Leave me.
Okay.
You know, I still can't believe this. How on earth can their fight lead to this?
Hey, okay. You know, say to say, I be get the line now. I sing it for the sing. And I tell you, these children, what did they do today? What did I hear from gate? Phew! Wow! As I run into inside, wow! I see them for kitchen. They begin to look, the next thing now, whoa! Something come begin to drip, listen to blood. Na pepper. Ghana pepper that. I blind for 2 hours.
You're not ashamed. You're not ashamed to tell me this.
Babe, the thing is, I actually find it difficult to believe these lies.
Madam, I don't blind finish today. See my eye. See.
It's not a joke. See, look at it. What?
Doctor, leave me. See, madam, see. I don't blind finish today.
Adam and Eve, what they said now, is it true?
Uncle, the thing wey they be say, if na fight, we fight too. But the number one point where they there, no be me cause this ninja one eye, no be me do am. And number two be say, the fight where we fight, no be me cause the problem. Now this moron way they here, and that fight never end. We go still complete am. So no man now. Now you boss here. Now me give am, I go slap you.
Madam, uncle, this one na intro. When the main display come, you go understand. These two children.
Shut up. Now you two listen to me. I don't want to ever hear that you fight again in this house. Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
Go to your room.
Cause I talk yes. Now there we go dig and where. Just they calm your morale. We go dig and where. Where we don't they go? No waste of time, no waste of strength. No, just switch there. Ha. This fight never tire me. See the switch. No, don't switch there. See me at the club. They go.
Madam, These children, they no go fit stay with you. I tell you. You see this one wey dem do for your introduction. If you see the main display, I beg, just carry them go their mama place.
Oh, shut your mouth. Shut it. How dare you? These kids are my sister's children. Okay? And then, wait. Are you not ashamed of yourself? I'm talking to you. I mean you. Yes, you.
Oh, wait, thank you.
I'm talking to both of you. You stand before us to tell us that those innocent kids did this to you? And you expect me to believe?
Madam, you know, good job make it happen to you. Because if it happen to you, it will shock you.
Oh, shut your mouth. Abigail, go to the kitchen and make something for my husband and I.
So then go kitchen. Go get something. Just try.
I'm ashamed of you.
Sir?
If you cannot protect these two kids, these two lovely, innocent kids, how am I supposed to trust you with my life at the gate?
Sir, you are not innocent, so swear to God. Yeah, they suggest say these children supposed to carry them go hospital. Go check. Whether they do mistake for theater, carry mature person brain, put for their own head.
Ojoto.
Yes, ma'am.
I said shut up.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to your duty post.
Now?
Pronoun.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Where did I find such a daft, dense human being?
Maybe he's just incompetent. That's the right words to describe him.
Come to Bobby.
Honestly, I'm just so... it's too much to handle, honestly.
I did tell her something. She know the hear everything I did tell her. No problem. See how she even take they attack me for front of those children. It's okay. I go show those children wait for this house when they don't come. As they don't do me ninja one eye. No problem. I will do them something.
You're ridiculous.
Okay. It's wrong word. Abigail.
Ma.
Abigail, get me water.
Madam,
Where's my water?
I beg no vex, I will go bring and come. Madam, I want to tell you something. You see these children, na cataract. I swear to God. You know, say na so they go dey scatter things. Today or now, stew wey I put for fridge, then comot am, scatter everything. And na me dey see arrange am.
And who is supposed to arrange it? Me? Abigail, if truly they spoil things like you claim, this is the first time people are in this house. And they're not just anybody. They are my family. So why are you complaining?
Abigail, is there something you're not telling us? Because this your complaint is getting too much.
Too much?
Is there something going on between you and Ojoto and you feel like the kids, they're standing in your way? Babe, I don't know if you're catching my drift.
Of course I am, babe. Tell us. And Abigail, listen to me. If I should ever find out that you're messing with Ojoto, I will not hesitate to chase you out of this house.
Madam, me, Ojoto. Madam, na Reverend Sister for become. As I did like this, man never touched me before, I still be virgin.
I don't care. I just want to make sure you've heard me loud and clear.
But madam, if you dey doubt me, we go see these children room. You go see how they don't scatter everything for that room.
What with these children? Okay, let's go to their room.
Madam, come go see.
Let us go.
Go.
You don't come here. Let's go to that room. Just make sure that room is scattered.
Madam, come see.
Madam, come now, follow me. Stay for back, so that they won't go through in the tea. Come.
But I see them, they sweat. Not for you.
Madam.
Abigail.
Ma.
Abigail.
Ma.
Are these not the kids you told me were scattering the entire house?
Madam, the thing surprised me too. When I entered the then they fight.
Will you shut your mouth? Abigail, let this be the first and the last time you play such prank on me again.
No problem.
Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala, balaba, wahala pro max. Now who go take the blame? Now who go take the shame? Every day is another trouble for Adam and Eve. Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala, balaba, wahala pro max. Now who go take the blame?
So, you want me to say, Madam and Oga, no believe what you tell them?
Instead, they say, be like say me and you, they see each other. Now waiting make I'm not like as the children there for house.
And what you got her?
Wait for tell them. Eh? Will they see each other? Me we no man.
You say? You don't know man? You don't know man. You when me say if somebody jump enter inside now, you could just water go swallow and boom. I say no man. Come on for there, man.
I don't know what they talk. I'm still a virgin.
You virgin. Now wow, Virginia. No only virgin. Oh yeah, mo go inside go check. No mo go inside go check now.
Hallelujah.
Abia.
Hallelujah.
Abia.
Hallelujah.
See, virgin, if virgin one piece, now.
Hallelujah.
You better hear. But your own, if you enter bathroom now, like that. I'm only, you say, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Ojoto, come
Oh, yes.
Let me go cross this road and come give you food.
You don't reach where you go, they call me, man, I come this side, I come collect my food.
The man pass rain because say you be who?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, take your
Oh,
food.
you're gonna do your work, oh.
Take your food.
Okay, all this one. What are they say like this? What are they say like that, ba?
Yes, and vegetable soup.
Yeah. Sometimes you dey behave like say you be Paco Pikin. You know say I know they swallow for night. Papa, look me now. See, no could no quarrel. Just go inside kitchen. Go cook indomie for me. No allow the indomie plenty. Do 6 egg. 6 egg. No use cook am with indomie. Fry am different. Put am on top. Pepper make it no too much, but onions make it plenty. I know they like chicken wing. Put the neck. If you finish, do tea. Waiting at talk, do tea. Make it no hot. Make it warm. Then they bring it to my office.
Who you be again?
GM.
GM. What you work for him? No be gate. Eh? If you want chop 6 eggs, how many oga go chop? 4 crates. Eh? No be gate be your work. You dey open my. How much you know when they sell food? You dey chop this food, abi you know they chop the food.
Abigail, no dey. See, let me tell you something. You can, Abigail. I'm joking now. Abby, oh yeah, open. Open. Okay, bring it. Let me manage it. Abby, I'm joking. Abigail, night wicked though. Hunger better for afternoon, no. Abi, hey, I don't finish myself. This girl not even they take play. Small thing, you go take her serious.
You can know that we'll chop together today. Happy too. Name chop on one side.
I'm not chopping her food.
Now one plate to bring for us again. I think it's another like to the chop with this one now.
See, make I tell you, no be that thing one I try for in the morning. If you try nonsense now, you go see something. We're gonna chop this food, Nana.
I mean not go chop with this one. I don't chop with this devil.
Who be devil?
You now.
Me. Ha. Hey.
What is it? What is going on here again?
See them now. Say make I give them their food separate. Say they no one chop together.
And?
Isn't that simple? Separate the food. What's so hard for you to do? Are you talking to me?
No, ma.
Abigail, we're going out. I won't be back till tomorrow morning. Please look after these children. I don't want to hear stories. Okay?
Let's go. See you guys later.
When I come tomorrow.
I mean, where did they even go?
No nonsense. No to the go club.
I talked to you.
Stop! I better drop a mail in my flesh.
Come. I be like Nahase. Eh?
Eve, now I help now.
No. No be accept, baby. Why you can't dress like, I better go share this.
I better go share this.
Oh, yeah.
What the bad
I need to go anywhere. Go share this. Make person chop.
I'm gonna drink water.
Why you go talk like that now? No, I'm not gonna feed you that one. I'm not gonna feed you. Make we go give us our food, though. Adam, come, make we go beat them now. You know, say now only all day for this time. No, we go fight them. Collect our food.
Go about that baby.
No, just go. Sorry, no, they fall now.
What's it with that?
Don't do that one. Not sweet. No, you're sweet. No, Sabi cook. No, you're full.
What's it they make you laugh?
Bob took ma.
Shush. Come, I go beat this your. Oh yeah, chop am.
Leave him now. You don't want chop him.
Chop am.
Chop
Chop am.
What did you find out then? Eh?
Abigail.
What did you find? They say Abigail.
She know say this sister fit you. It fit you well.
Ojoto, what did you find for inside kitchen?
She know say you're a better person. I beg. My intestine they twist.
Waiting concern me if your intestine they twist.
Could die yo.
Ojoto, you go.
See, I know the joke. Even if na small thing, make a chop small. I beg.
Ojoto, they go.
Abi, I go die yo.
I say nothing there, Ojoto.
Yeah, give me Gary man, just chew.
Gary no day, they go outside.
Abi,
They
I might be this so.
They go.
I might be this so.
They go.
It's supposed to be like God though.
They go. Thief.
Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala, balaba, wahala pro max. Now who go take the blame? Now who go take the shame? Every day is another trouble for Adam and Eve. Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala, balaba, wahala romance. Now who go take the blame? Now who go take?
Yeah, this Calabar girl. I don't want you. Make you know they come this place anyhow again. She, you don't come here. The food was for chop. You don't come pour for ground. I don't get food. I go eat again. Now they don't appear. And I said they send you.
Yoro, the dogs just safe. The dogs just safe now.
Me, I should the dogs.
Yes, the dogs just safe. Tara, uncle, I bring something for you. Oh, you I tell you I could bring you food now. I tell you that I could bring you food and I look like that.
You can surprise somebody.
That number penny. Don't penny like that.
Nah, romance. Yeah, you see, I never even know say you love me like this. Even chicken day inside.
Oh, I tell you. Oh, I tell you I could take very good care of you.
I see.
By the time I finish with you, everybody could wonder.
Everybody don't want, even myself don't wonder.
You wonder.
So you will come begin to go.
No problem. After all, I could cook quick so that my mother no could do for me.
Yes.
You know, imagine, I put something on fire, but I decided to come do for you. Jeez.
It's your love now. Go push you from village.
Wait, I could like you to give me my
night. You don't do it. Never brush.
Give me some more now. Give me some more.
Because of some more rice now, you don't ask for waiting.
The dogs just say, come here, you do this thing inside now. You give me some more. If you sure I'll give me face. Hey! You swear up! I'm a see you! Oh, yeah!
Come on!
Give me another one. Give me. Oh, you don't give me.
Go.
Give me another one. Oh, you don't give me now. Give me. You can go.
After the smell, come on.
I feel good.
What happened?
Wait there. What did they do to children? Open this door! Open this door! These children. Okay.
Did you see this fight? He never finished. You see this fight where you start, never finish. Let me go beat it today. I go beat you over your face today. You go beat me. And I beat me now, make I see you now. Beat me, make I see you. Just not take you. Just not take you. There. Okay.
before could I open this door?
And now I go no. No problem. They don't lock this door. There's problem.
Adam.
Everywhere don't they lock? Huh?
Don't leave me. These children.
You don't understand what I thought. I said they don't lock here, lock backyard.
You don't forget say that jam lock. As them push me, don't lock. They everywhere, they lock.
You know they shock you. How these children now, their hand go take restart key now. May they use open and come out outside.
Ojoke. Nah, jam lock. If you push me, lock. You don't lock.
If I want to concern me, what to concern me? Obasam. Mama!
These children. It's alright. Eve! Adam! Adam! It's alright. For this rain where they fall like this, these small two wicked children, no problem. I see whether not for here, when I go lock me, no problem. Eve! Adam! It's okay. When I stand here and I'm moving my bed this night. Come before this rain will fall.
Okay, good morning. Madam, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Okay, how do you? Fine, sir.
Madam, welcome. Okay, welcome.
Why is your face like this, Abigail? Are you okay?
Madam, these children, they won't kill me. When I kill these children, won't kill me. Yesterday night, I saw they pursue them up and down. I fall injured for my leg. Before you know, these children don't lock door. Now for here now, I sleep, they break.
You slept outside. What do you mean by you slept outside?
Madam, I sleep outside. Then I knock. These children, they no agree open door.
Is this a joke?
See them. See them.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Me thunder fire on that.
Abigail.
Why are you guys carrying plates?
We tell Abigail may give us food, not give us food.
Madam,
Abigail, is that how you are?
Madam, these children, what they like?
Abigail, you just said they refused to open the door, but they just came out. They walked out here.
Madam,
and you're also starving them.
Madam, these children wicked. Now here I sleep, they break. Now they open this door. Una no go talk true. Eh?
Hello.
Ojoto, talk true. You know, they no be here I sleep, they break.
Okay, madam, they fight, they fight. But from inside, I the door take jam. Boah. But for her to tell me say she sleep outside, and the one I don't know.
Ojoto, you know see me saying I here I sleep.
I want to know. I follow you sleep outside.
Abigail, I can't believe this. I just can't believe. Please, let's go in. Let's go in.
Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala, palaba, wahala promax.
Ojoto, where you they go? Where you they go, Ojoto? Eh? Ojoto. So now like this you dey. Now like this you dey.
For Adam and Eve.
After everything what these children do me yesterday night, you know fit talk wetin happen. That's when you wicked reach.
See, if to say that you be Jesus, if they collect people life. Ordinary food, we are telling you make you give me. Food! You don't give me. No be say na your own. No be say na your own. You be think say you no go need my help.
Now because of food, Abi, you go beg for food. Abigail! The day when you go die.
You said, you go sleep outside till the day when you go die. In fact, you go die self, your dead body go come out from mortuary, come outside. Like that there. You go there outside till you die. Hallelujah.
Abigail! Madam! Come here!
Are you mad? Are you mad? Abigail, I left my house in your care for just a night with these kids. And look at how you kept it.
Madam, now when they did the fight, now they scatter all these things now. Una no go talk true.
Eh? And Auntie Nala, you will not do anything.
Even at that, Abigail, are you telling me that you can't take care of these kids?
Can you imagine?
I don't understand.
This one like children care. This one's they be adult care. These children, the kind things where they do. I pray say one day on a day, make una use una eye they see.
Can you just shut up? Abigail, just 2 days. 2 days in this house and it's already like this. Okay, what happens when they spend a week or months in this house? You know what? You are fired. Go in there, pack your things and leave this house this minute.
Babe, I don't think it has gotten to that.
No, it has gotten to that.
We can't just let her go.
Babe, she has to go. This is exactly what she would do when we start having kids.
Make I go, sef. This one na freedom at last. If una no even know, make I go. I won't go, sef. Make una dey, make una carry all these children. Make una come up for road also.
You are talking back at me.
Yes, I dey talk at you. Did you? Make I pack my things. They go. I don't dey go.
Babe, you will clean this house, Abigail.
Babe.
Maybe she will clean this house before she leaves. Abigail, come back here. Abigail.
Babe. Is this Gary on the floor?
Virgin Abigail.
Now waiting. Wetin happen?
Where you dey go with this
big
big bag?
We are not go with the bag. Shebi no rough na full. No gonna chop the house. Now don't leave am for na make you belle full.
Chop wait now.
See Ojoto, if you don't leave me now, the kind thing we go do, you no go like am.
Abigail, don't fix up. You go ring sobo for
Which
where?
song sobo? I beg you.
Come on, put this in this idea. What did they worry you?
I give him sobo now. Uncle, you ring my sobo.
Can you listen to they go this way? No, say.
Why you rag me like that?
What did they worry you now? Every time you go, just say open gate, they enter. Like say your papa don't build this car house before.
You don't need to shout now, Uncle. I come to give you sobo now.
I invite you, give me sobo. What do they worry?
Abigail has grown wings. No, babe, Abigail has really grown wings. Wow.
Baby, just calm down.
No, baby, Abigail looked me in the face and she said those trash to me.
Okay, babe,
Me.
Calm down.
Me.
We're going to find another help. Hmm?
I'm not worried. I'm not worried one bit. Abigail. Wow. Okay. It's fine. No, it's fine.
She's already fired, okay? Hmm?
Abigail has really grown wings. It's okay. It's fine. It's very fine.
Do you know you really look sexy when you're angry, babe?
Hey, don't fix it. How you can look that in tape I very high? What is the problem? Why you carry him big pack they go?
If he keep at the very high, he consign you, can't they go? This cars where they see now, there is fire on the mountain.
Hey, fire!
They are here. Carry and they go. I don't want wahala. They go.
Maybe we go together and fire in your house.
You will go. In the grass. I tell you, say the fire go burn me. The fire go burn you. Where they go?
Fire come on me. No, I saw what I come to say. Fire no go burn me.
They go. So when she say one chop house, even if this house na cake, me and these people don't fit chop and finish now. It's problem. Problem though. I think I will big back.
Yeah, Austin. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, thanks for reminding me. Okay. Baby? Wakey. Rise and shine. Okay. Austin just called to remind us about getting our visas from the embassy.
That's true.
Yep. So, come on, let's get ready. You sleep well? You did? Yeah, I did. Alright, come on, let's get ready.
My clothes ready.
Look at them. So cute.
I know. I can't wait to start having children.
That's all.
What?
I'm going to get you pregnant. I'm thinking triplets.
Babe, don't do this here.
What are you talking about?
Sorry.
So, what should we do? Should we wake them up?
No. Let's let them sleep.
Okay, I don't like this look. I need to get you pregnant. Okay?
Oyoro.
I don't tell me no, they call me Ojoro again. No, my name is Ojoto.
Oyoro. Imagine that time we call that place. Everybody do us. Imagine.
Ojoto.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, madam. I'm fine, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, me. Anything for the boys?
No. Don't even start with that. You're anything for the boys. Listen, the kids are asleep. I have prepared their food and it's in the fridge. Once they are awake, make sure you heat it up and give it to them. Also check on them from time to time, okay?
Okay, you say food day fridge.
No, it's in the drum. Okay. I don't even know why I'm even sending you to my kitchen. Don't go and burn down my house, oh.
Madam, you don't know me. Madam, forget say I can't do this gate work. Before me, I can't do this work. My mama get restaurant. And now for sure the restaurant me they stay for sure. My mama not even they get time. So if na cook, as I be cook, like good they swear for.
That's your business.
Just do as she has instructed.
No, I'm sorry. Take it, sir. Now open the gate. Hey, what? Hey, what? Hey, what? Hey, what? I know say this kid every time. You know go really behave well.
Oyoro, see the way you grab me. Boom. He's with me. Side. Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's go.
I really be Ojoro. See this kind of fridge. Wait, song don't go hungry. I'm to sing. I wonder bigger they sing anyhow. Even the fridge will give you inspiration of song. I have to not flex this food finish now. But the good type person. Golden spoon. I was born with a silver spoon, but I use golden spoon. Then a phone number I go press for this place. Anyone, I don't press any phone number now. If you like your hot, you don't like nothing. I wait for the food. They can sanctify for belly alone. They can sanctify.
Say, hey, you see the penny, oh? This boy won't break my bone. Aye, say. Oh, I see penny, oh, penny. Aye.
My baby.
Mommy, don't tell me anything wrong. Imagine, Imagine this place now, he penny. The bone of this place, he penny.
My baby. Listen, see, you go chop this food. When you chop them, you go come get strength. Now come give me second round.
Don't tell me that kind of nonsense. Imagine this place, he penny. He tell me I go come give you second waiting. Stop, I don't like it. We did inside that place, I tell you, this thing, he penny. Stop. You know, you hit me. You know, cool now.
See, ma, tell you something. Yeah, you know, say you did very, very ungrateful. You did very, very ungrateful. This thing where you they complain here now. People Plenty people for inside Facebook and Instagram. They advertise am. Now who get big baller oh? Now who sabi knack oh? Now you can't get am. They complain.
Imagine Jacif. Imagine Jacif. You can my tell you Oyoro stop now. This thing they pain me. You still they do me. Boom, boom, boom. You they hit me. You know cool now. Oyoro, you not good, but I don't like it.
Okay, don't do. Just eat this food. Just eat this food. Why you can't they complain?
Leave me.
Why you going to complain?
You could hit somebody. Somebody tell you take it easy. You refuse.
Next time you get this kind of thing for your company, just take the car flexi what they give you now. Take the car flexi. Okay, just wait. See.
Yankurova, Ekromoto, Yankuro.
You know, as you lost, you don't lost.
Life is spirit.
Just chop. Don't worry. I dey tell you say, you see me when it reach time where I go marry you, you go see say I sabi take care of woman.
Mbo, I beg, give me. The person that say he could marry somebody, start how the person you used to keep your face. Somebody that want to marry somebody could keep a very serious face so that you could know that you're serious to get married to me. You could carry that ring, you could go down your knee, you put them for my hand.
Mba, I no go need that for you. I no fit to. No even expect me I need that for you.
Later you could tell me you love me.
I love you. You just take it. Eat now. You can't eat like yes now. It is a people when they come inside this place. You don't do like say. See, two chicken for your house.
But you carry this dice you put inside this place. You know, couldn't pay.
I go use mouth suck and come out. I go use mouth suck and
you don't have to do that for.
Just reason this matter now.
The food is sweet. I
never even treat you finish. They can't treat me what I'll give you now. You're gonna say
Korumi, plenty twin me.
Now what for you?
No face now. He go chop like somebody cases. Imagine. carry me my body, you room me.
I say peace, they hungry.
Peace is very different. This one they do me for this side. Boom, boom, like peace like want something.
Person that want something. You dey craze? No be you they hear the chance me say I no suppose knock you, I no suppose knock you. As if you know the enjoy ya. Nah, you don't come back. A person where want something.
I want something. You know, I don't want me with inside face. You carry me go one corner. He push jar things more. He put inside. I was in me. He goes mirror.
I'm gonna today. Hungry.
Jesus.
Don't worry, now me and you there. Even Oga Madam no day. I be careful they disturb us. No day. Children they sleep.
Say him.
Are we there?
Jamana me tell you say you no could come back quick today.
You know. I don't tell me say they, in fact they even tell me say children. Say they sleep, say food do they fridge. Every time they wake up, make food, give them.
So, me and you carry space.
Me and you get the whole of this compound now. Now, you don't know. If the children do mistake, say they won't wake up. I think kill one.
Because anytime we see situation, she say, I feel kill anybody for anything.
So you get one music where they call blues.
Bruce.
I don't download that. So I could just use that for that material.
I know that, Bruce. My mother, my Okaras when they pray in the house when they want to do that.
So the only thing I go beg you, listen to me. The only thing I go beg you, no be something your own, something you do just only the head go just you go begin shout. No shout today.
Okay, today I go change my shout. Go shout. Warrior!
No shout because my boss, if he content madam say we get everything we do.
Okay, I go do sign. I say sign. Oh yeah, swinny.
That's something they worry you. I say no shout.
Okay, wait till I go.
Just the receive am.
Okay, I go.
If I enter.
I go yoro. If I shout smoke, boom, you go hold my mouth now. It's dove.
Even as in front of this now, my body is just
like. Say, you're away. Let's go now, more. You're more come now.
Auntie, what is it now? Me, I don't understand. I don't like this kind of thing. Person they hungry. I want to take chop now. I want to take chop. Auntie, Ojoto. 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 Why music content? Ojoto. Why you going to play music? Now you no go listen now. Ojoto. 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 Why people could just misbehave like that. Now where are they hungry? All this thing go they happen. Now where are they hungry? All this thing go they happen. Ojoto. 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 Who is this mumu boy? Who is this mumu? Every time go to let me to the program. Every time. Ojoto. Ah. So this thing go they happen now. Where are they hungry? I don't like this kind of stuff. I don't like this kind of stuff. No person will take shop now. I can't be now where they hungry. Which kind of competition? I don't like this kind. I don't like them. I don't like this. Not a single just day. I don't understand this kind of life. I don't understand them. mama. Of course, I asked you, this girl. You want to show yourself this morning. If you want chop, now you say you go join her make we cook this rice. They cook. Let's say the fire even small. We can use this one with the. Wait, look what you go enjoy yourself. I'm not going down. Go carry. Now when you go enjoy yourself, you go know something now. Now like this, you go do one. And I want you just put there. That's the one go do. Make a good day. Make a good day. Oh. Just cook them like that. Just say they come on. Maybe this long thing what they do for food is this. No, be this pepper. This pepper not the wood now. I have put that. It's okay. Don't do. Can never put this. Oh, Anna. Let's put it. No, no, put egg. I don't like. I like to fry my egg. This one now make it done. No, okay. No. That crayfish is different. Don't just leave it like that. No, allow the food make it done. No, try look for a spoon. No, go use stunner. This small spoon they use cook for it. Even I say like this spoon they use cook. Cook now. I will pat down like that, Emma. Why you put 4 tomatoes? 2 onions? No. Not like this. The onions they enough tomato. I don't put tomato. I make it test them. Water dry, water sweet. No sweet now. Water dry, sweet. Okay, no, leave and make it dry. Sweet. I bet if you go put milk and sugar. What put sugar now? Okay, no, go. I dare you wait for you. You can go find sugar, come. Sugar may go make them sweet. want to? I want to food now. Because which food do I take? Now you cook am. Be I say you don't be mad. I better come up for that place. Come. Now you have to cook am. If you don't give me for each other, we have to go get problem. I beg me I go find some food for Bele for each one go do. Sometimes God just behave like a sweet no get sense. Who's your heart now? If you're not born, you don't tell me your man not go back to you. Come on here. Make it done first. You don't go chop up. No, but I can't see you. If you go, I go now. This is where your head go bust. You don't know what you do. Come chop, make us see. Hey, give me. What's up with that rice? What's happened? This is saying no, give me rice. Go shop am. Go chop your own.
No disturb me, make I carry milk. Wait, no
Go
disturb
chop
me.
your rice. I beg you, give me rice. You don't give me rice. Let me take. Go chop that your rice. Me no done. Me not sabi cook. Okay, for me to give you.
What you just do now?
What's all
What you
this
do now? Stop that now. What you do now?
brother against
Why you come for all this finish now? What you dey worry you now? Why you come for all finish now? What you dey worry? Oh, give me that bread.
What
Give me the
can
bread.
be done to bring back peace in this family? Every day
You see this your head. I go make am one day.
So wahala, balaba, wahala promax.
No, do this thing. No, do this thing. You know the year one.
Every day is another trouble for Adam and Eve. Every day is another trouble.
You know the year one. You know the.
So wahala.
Chibi, you see now. You see what you do yourself for here.
Now who could take the blame? Now
Come
who
here
could
now.
take the shame? Every day is another trouble for Adam and Eve.
I don't cross her. I don't cross her. Cross her. I don't cross her. If I do cook, you'll cross her with your mama friend. I don't cross her. What you go do? Hey. Mama.
Sorry.
That idiot is.
It's next time.
Wait, is it that Ojoto can't hear this cow or what?
Ojoto!
Ojoto! Ojoto!
And I'm left with me.
Wait, what's going?
As the family. Sorry.
Madam, good evening, ma. Good night, sir. I mean,
Who are you? Oh, hey. Hold on.
Good afternoon, sir. As the family, sir.
Ojoto.
So this is what you do?
Stay there.
yes, sir.
Stay
Yes,
there.
sir. No problem, sir. I could stay.
When my husband and I are wait, you bringing strangers into our house?
Madam, no. It's not possible. This is not devil work. I swear to God, not devil work. It doesn't wait till you cause a bit. No, they come here.
No, I mean, get down. Okambok, don't fix. Actually, so that I sell. I sell sorrow.
You sell Zobo.
Jeez, I go only free. I refer sorrow to people. That's what I came to do.
So you deliver specifically to Ojoto?
No, even I didn't drink my sorrow.
Okay, where's the Zobo that you're selling?
I swear to God, now sorrow. I say, where my sorrow? Let me show you.
Where is the Zobo? Let us. Where is the Zobo?
Give me my sorrow now. Madam, don't fix, I do only free. I come to river Kifam.
Where's your Zobo?
Yes, where's it?
Where's my sorrow?
Wait, you said it to him, right?
Give me the sorrow. Let me show you.
In his room.
Madam, I come say sorrow.
And you have rapper.
Madam, don't fix. He tell me to come help him do something very, very small something. So I go inside. You saw what I say.
So you only deliver this Zobo to Ojoto?
Just him.
Abigail, you drink my sorrow. Every other person remember.
He drinks your Zobo.
Abigail, you drink my sorrow.
Fired. You just have to fire this idiot. You need to fire this idiot.
Ojoto.
Okay? You are fired.
Ojoto, so you are busy donating to women under my roof.
You are fired.
Stay there. Is it me? Is something burning?
What's this?
Who left something on fire for it to burn? Babe, is that the meal you asked Ojoto to microwave?
No, that's not it. It's not it. It's not the food at all.
Then who left something on fire for it to burn? Ojoto! Who left something on fire?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Who left something on fire in the kitchen?
Okay. No be me.
What do you mean by no be you? I left my house under your care and you were in the room with one stupid girl. What about the food I asked you to microwave for the kids?
Ma?
You heard me.
I chop it.
Really? He's joking.
Yeah, I
he's
mean,
obviously
it's
joking.
laughable, right?
Yes, you're joking.
I've been saying.
You did what?
Like,
You're
whether
joking.
the children feed your chop biscuits. Later, I go just find something.
You're joking.
Yes, ma.
Oh, Jota, you are joking.
Yes, ma. Jokingly.
Oh, Jota, you are joking.
I jokingly chop it.
Wait.
You are mad.
It's okay.
You are mad.
Listen, the kids.
Are you mad?
The kids.
The kids.
Yes, the kids.
The kids.
Adam!
It no go better for you. It no go better for you, Ini.
Adam! Adam!
Adam!
Adam!
Eve!
Adam!
Eve! Eve!
Adam! Eve! How are these kids, for God's sake? Adam and Eve! Adam!
Adam!
No. Eve!
Adam!
Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala. Balaba. Wahala.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing? It's enough. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Every day is another trouble.
Before you hold him now,
Is another fight.
Stay strong, Abi. Because I didn't you.
Wahala romance. Now who could take the blame?
Anytime you look like trouble because I didn't you.
Shut your mouth.
Every day is another trouble.
Can you see how everywhere is messed up? Look at my dining. Look at the sitting room. Even the kitchen. All this while I thought Abigail was one line, but you guys are just, you just, I didn't even know what cat and rat. What's the meaning of all this?
It's a beg, no vex. Now because say we dey hungry and nobody dey for us, now make we just go cook rice.
And littering the house? What's that about?
No vex. Sorry. We'll not tell him again.
Who is going to clean up this mess?
Now you. No be you go clean up.
You better start.
Now you go clean up. Now you go clean up.
I
Don't say
slap
you.
these children. If I'm talking about me.
You want to take it now. You want to take it because I leave you that time.
What?
You go clean up. You want to take it now. You want to take it. Go first.
Babe, let's just go inside, okay? Let's leave them to clean up.
You both.
Alright, you don't need this right now.
You better clean this place.
Hey!
You know the year what now? I go beat you for this place now.
Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala. Balaba. Wahala.
I'm just tired, I swear. I don't even know what to do at this point. I'm just so tired.
Babe?
Every day is another trouble for Adam and Eve.
Okay, I beg now.
Is another trouble.
I beg, sir.
Every day is another fight. Now so wahala.
Wow. Okay, madam. Oh yeah, I beg, I no go do them again. I no go do again. I swear. Okay, please. Okay, sir. Okay, the devil you know better pass the angel where you don't know, sir. Sir, please, sir. I no go do them again, sir. Hi. Nobody answer himself. Okay, na mi o Joto. Na mi o. What else, sir? Okay, I beg now.
You won't show yourself, Abi. No, show yourself. I keep quiet. You won't show yourself. You won't show yourself, Abi. I am you. You like to do. I keep quiet. Show yourself. No, show yourself.
Hey! Oh! Can you stop this? Stop fighting now! Get this shit!
Babe? What's going on?
See, you seen anything in my head?
Injury? What are you
Check.
talking about?
I don't know. I was trying to separate them, and I don't know how to just hit me with something. I don't know.
They hit you?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, what is wrong with those kids? Stop it! Stop it!
Uncle, now you cause I'm...
Shit, enough! What on earth is wrong with the both of you?
Now you cause I'm...
I said stop it. Stay here. I don't care who caused it. Enough! Look at what you've done to my wife.
Now you cause I'm...
If you move, you sit down there. You sit down there. What is wrong with the both of you? Huh?
Now because I don't beat you well. I beat you well.
Please, they have to leave this house. Mary. They have to. I'm tired. I don't even know what to do again. They have to go.
I know, okay, but they're just kids.
Kids? You call them kids? Look what they did to me. I have mad headache right now.
And I'm sorry. Let me massage it for you.
Please, they have to go. I'm just... What would this...
It's okay. Come, let me massage it for you. Sorry.
I was only trying to separate their fight.
Sorry about that, okay? How are you feeling, Mama?
Please, they have to go. I'm tired. I'm tired of them in this house. They're really stressing me.
They will adjust. I promise. Okay?
It's not funny. You're trying to make this funny. It's not funny. You're laughing at me, right?
It's funny. If it's funny,
Yeah,
just laugh.
it's because it's not your head they hit. That's
let
why.
me give you an extra top massage. Come lie on the bed. I'll give you something really special. Are you really lying on the bed?
As you can see, I'm preparing the food already. Don't worry. It will be ready very soon. Just go to your room. I'll call you. Okay?
Okay. You know the sea road? You know you're crazy. You know the sea road again? The man. How do you not see me? Me are the mad. One make up. Where is the wrong one? Where is the wrong?
Oh! Adam!
Where is the husband?
Adam and the thief. What are you doing about this? Adam and the thief.
You know so
Hello, Cindy. Come on, carry your children out of this place.
Come back here. Come back here.
Cindy, just come and take them before they kill me, please. Cindy, I don't care. Just come and carry them out of this house, please.
Come back here. I will beat you. I'm not beat you today.
Cindy, I'm not talking. I need them out.
Hey, I'm not beat you today. I'm not beat you today. I will beat you today.
Come on. Go to your room.
Come here, make a kill you now. Come here, make a beat you now.
Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so Wahala promax. Now who go take the blame? Who go take the shame? Every day is another trouble for Adam and Eve. Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. Now so wahala.
You don't see her. You don't say they don't lock us. You don't say they don't lock her. They don't lock her. You don't happy. Common sense, you don't go get sense. Stay one place, you don't go stay one place. What you have to finish? You know that person made you talk to touch him. Make I touch him, I don't touch you. What you go do? What you do now? Make I know what you go do. Make I know now. What you go do? What you want from me? Make I know what you go do. Make I know what you go do. Yeah, do that way you do. Well, do that way you do. Make I see you now. I don't see you now. Yeah, do it. Talk like that. Yes. Because I never did it. Papa, I beg you, I don't do. Uncle, open now, ma'am. Uncle, no be me, cause Uncle, you get everything I want to tell you, I beg. You said you don't cause. Who cause him? You now. Who cause him? You cause him. You want to start again now, me?
What's all this problem? Brother against sister, they should be living in harmony. What can be done to bring back peace in this family? Every day is another trouble. Every day is another fight. So wahala, balaba, wahala pro max.
Baby, these are just children. They're just kids. I mean, I can't help but think, what if they were our kids? What are we going to teach them? I mean, all I can see here is a lack of proper home training, discipline. And I feel like that's why they came to this house, for us to teach them. Okay, they need to know that the constant fighting, the constant quarreling, the constant bickering, it's not healthy. Okay, it's left to you and I to teach them. So let's do it. You will learn.
Hopefully.
You will. Guarantee it.
Not that he come close to you. Make a come cover you. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! What you want to? As no watch, no gonna press make you watch. What you gonna do there? No press anything for. Give me that remote step. No press anything for that place. You see? No press anything for that place. Listen here. Give me that. Give me that thing.
Hey! Hey!
No press anything.
Oi! If I hear any noise from the both of you, I'll make sure that you have a taste of this. Don't you know it's late? Aren't you supposed to be sleeping by now? And who turned on the TV? Enough! Enough! Now both of you go to bed, okay? Good kids are already sleeping by now. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. The remote, give me the remote. Give me the remote. You hear this? You're gonna hear that. You're gonna feel that on your bum. Remote! Give me the remote. Bring the remote to me. Give me the remote. Give me the remote. Give me the remote. Remote. Good. Good night. That's going to be you or you. Huh? What did I say? Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Good morning, superstars. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Okay. Wakey, wakey. Adam, get up. Good morning. When I say good morning, you say good morning. Okay, let's try that again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good, good. All right, let's go in the bathroom and brush. All right, meet me in the living room in 5 minutes. We have chores to do together. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Good. See that? Nice. Good, 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 good. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes.
Good children don't fight. They do not quarrel, and they don't engage in bad things. If you continue to fight and quarrel like this, what will people say?
Listen, guys. There's an adage that says that when two brothers fight to death, a stranger inherits their wealth. And do you know that fighting and quarreling can lead to a lot of harm? Huh? You both can hurt yourselves and leave scars on each other that would stay forever. And that's not good. Do you understand? Adam and Eve.
Yes.
So will you promise you will not fight again?
Yes.
Yes, you promise.
Yes. I promise.
Okay. We'll see.
Okay, guys.
If you're hungry, your food is in the microwave. You just take it. Please take care of the house.
No problem.
And no fighting. All right? Okay. See you guys later.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.
We're back soon, okay?
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Yep. Thank you. Nothing is missing.
Okay.
You're doing a good job, I know.
I know, right?
Not bad. I'm a terrible parent.
No me. Ah, sis.
Hi, baby. How you doing now?
I'm fine.
How are your children?
They're all fine.
What in there?
See them.
Eh? Hey!
Marlene.
What did happen?
Welcome.
How are you?
I don't find.
What did happen? Adam and Eve, they chop for the same plate.
Cindy, this is exactly how it should be. You're not training them properly. And it's very bad. Cindy, if they continue with this hand, they will grow up to become monsters. And they might one day hit you.
At least say more not the fight, not be brother and sister. Say no good to fight. She also tell us say now only good children they go heaven. So me and Adam no one go hellfire. We dey sweep the house together, we even dey wash plates.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Hey. My sister. God go bless you. Eh?
Okay. We have to give him the credits.
Thank you,
All
sir.
thanks to my husband, though.
Thank you, sir. Now only God go bless two of you. Eh? I don't know. I don't talk. I don't tire. My husband will hear me. I don't tell her say make we pack comot for that area. That place no good to train children. They spoil children. And me, I know they get chance to look after them. Because of my kai business. I dey dey junction till 11 p.m. every day.
Cindy, it's all right, okay? I'll speak to your husband. You guys need to leave that place. And as for your kids, they'll be enrolled in a good school.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey!
That's not it. So that's not all, yes. And for that your kai business, you have to stop that your kai business. Don't worry, I'll start up a new business for you.